Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to connect Call Agent AI with Slack using a webhook, so your assistant can send automatic updates, support tickets, or call summaries straight into your team's Slack channel. Start by logging into the Call Agent AI admin panel at admin.callagentai.com. Select the assistant where you want the Slack integration to happen. Inside the assistant settings, open the Webhook section and click Create. We'll come back here after we've set up Slack. Now head over to your Slack app or browser and sign into the workspace where you want messages posted. In the sidebar, click More, then go to Automations and Open Apps. At the top right, click Slack Marketplace. This opens your browser. Click Build in the top right corner. Select Create New App and choose from scratch. Give your app a name like Call Agent AI Integration and select your Slack workspace. Then click Create App. Now in your app settings, go to Incoming Webhooks on the left sidebar. Turn the toggle switch on to activate webhooks. Scroll down and click Add New Webhook to Workspace. Pick the channel where you want messages to appear. For us, it's Call Agent AI Demo, and click Allow. Slack will now generate a webhook URL for that channel. You're probably doing this for the first time, so you will only have one link, unlike us. Copy your link, we'll use it in Call Agent AI next. Back in the Call Agent AI admin panel, first change the HTTP method from GET to POST. Next, paste the Slack webhook URL you copied earlier into the URL field. In the request body, insert this JSON structure. This defines what your Slack message will look like. The placeholders like ticket number, name, and description will automatically pull in call data, but only if you've defined them in the assistant's information extractor. So make sure you've already set those up in your own account. All set? Click Test to trigger a sample message. Now open the Slack channel you selected. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a test message like this. Here's an example of what the message will look like when populated with call data. If the test works, click the Save icon in the top right to activate the webhook. Finally, don't forget to also click the Submit button to finalize the configuration. Nice work! Your Slack integration with Call Agent AI is now live. Whenever your assistant extracts key info during a call, like a ticket number or customer request, it'll instantly post a formatted message in Slack to keep your team in the loop. Thanks to this setup, you can stay on track with call summaries and requests automatically. Thanks for watching. For more integrations and support, visit our documentation site at https://callagentai.gitbook.io/docs or reach out to our team at accounts@callagentai.com. See you in the next tutorial.